The June 21st storm that swept through the Bemidji area caused extensive damage at the fields used by Bemidji Youth Baseball. A kickball tournament over the weekend helped to raise funds to repair some of that field. Our reporter Matthew Freeman has more for this week's Northwoods Experience.
Kickball is a game that you may have played as a kid. The nostalgia wave hit Marty Copenhagen one day, and he wanted to play the game again.
I remember playing kickball back in the day, and I saw it being played down in St. Joseph, Minnesota one time. I was like, I got to bring this to Bemidji.
The first adult kickball leagues date back to the 1920s. The sport has since widely grown, with the World Kickball Association being established in 1998. And these guys want to bring the game to Bemidji.
I want to expand it. I want to get it going. And there's state tournaments, there's national tournaments, all for kickball. And why not in Bemidji?
Some of the players involved have the hope that this could become a league for the area, so that those who played sports in high school and college can experience the fun of playing competitive sports again.
I think it'd be really cool to even have a regular league for a bunch of us older softball players that maybe softball's too much for, but kickball should be a little bit easier.
I'd love to see a league. I'd love to see these tournaments going on weekends. I mean, it's a fun time.
Mark Evanson Memorial Fields received extensive damage from the June 21st storm, and that's why organizers wanted to hold this fundraiser.
It helps us both. Their fields are the exact size for a kickball field, and then they are a nonprofit, and with all the damage that happened from the June storm, anything we can do to help them out.
We just come here to have fun, and it's a good cause. It's just something fun to do for the kids. So
the tournament raised around $400 for the Bemidji Youth Baseball League. Reporting in Bemidji for this week's Northwoods Experience, I'm Matthew Freeman, Lakeland News.
Another kickball tournament will be taking place on October 12th. If you want to participate, you're asked to contact the email on the screen in order to register.
Northwoods Experience is sponsored in part by LVI Supply, providing the Bemidji area with industrial products and equipment sales and service. More info at 218-444-3930 or lvisupply.com. Lakeland News is a nonprofit news organization. Donate to Lakeland PBS today to support your local news team.